Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. This information, these tips are from the Federal Trade Commission. Extended warranties and service contracts on products and services, they are a scam. They're a product, but if a product is well built, you shouldn't have to be concerned about an extended warranty or service contract. The other caveat is the conditions and terms of these so-called protection. It's questionable at best because these companies will do everything in the world, just like the insurance industry, everything in the world to avoid servicing that particular contract. I'm not a fan of these extended warranties and service contracts just because they're expensive. And for the most part, you don't know the life of the company that's providing these warranties. They come and go. They come and go. So 3 years down the road, A, will you remember if you had an extended warranty? 2, where's the paperwork? 3, how much time is it going to take in order to get someone out to look at your particular problem, or the cost of sending that particular product back? Generally, you have to cover that cost. So are they worth it? In my opinion, no. I've never paid for an extended warranty. You, on the other hand, may have had great experiences. If you do, comment. Let me know what works for you. But I've always found, and the general rule of thumb is, these are very expensive and generally don't carry the weight that they're supposed to. Some sellers offer an extended warranty or service contract when you buy a product. An extended warranty or service contract is different from the warranties that may automatically come with a product. If it costs extra, it might cover different issues than a manufacturer's warranty. This is what you're concerned about, manufacturer warranty. If you're buying a quality product, this manufacturer warranty should stand up over the general life of the product. Now keep in mind, the product may only have a reasonable life of 3 years. Manufacturer warranty, if it covers 60% of that, then that's great. Other than that, if you get this extended warranty for 3 years, then you're just duplicating efforts. And you have to ask yourself, I'm going to get 60% of the value of that particular product. If it breaks and I'm close to that warranty period, I'm going to demand that this manufacturer provide some type of warranty. If you're 2 years or 2.5 years into the product life, and in your mind you gave it a 3-year life and you paid for an extended warranty, well, guess what? In your opinion, you paid a heck of a lot for only 6 months of a warranty. So you just keep that in mind. And given that the crap that's coming from China, and literally we all know it's crap, products today are meant to be tossed. That's a sad fact. Adding an extended warranty to something that's cheaply made is just a double-edged sword. You're going to throw this stuff away, and this extended warranty, you're just wasting your money. Here's how to know whether an extended warranty or service contract will give you extra benefits for the extra cost. Learn about the extended warranty or service. An extended warranty or service contract might not be worth the cost if a product isn't likely to need repairs. Check product review websites to see if other people say the product often needs expensive repairs. Read the details of the extended warranty or service contract. It's not a good value if it doesn't offer more coverage than the warranty that came with the product, as I just explained. Before you buy an extended warranty, get information about the cost. Look at the initial cost of the extended warranty or service contract and costs that might be hidden, like deductibles or fees you must pay each time the product is serviced. You have to pay to ship the product to the repair center. Is there a fee to transfer the extended warranty or service contract to someone else? Does the extended warranty or service contract set limits on reimbursement amounts? For example, auto service contracts may not fully cover expenses for towing or renting a car. Reputation. The value of an extended warranty or service contract is only as good as the company that's responsible for coverage. Find out who's offering an extended warranty. It's not necessarily the manufacturer. It might be a company you don't know. Find out how long the company's been in business, then search online for the company name plus words like review or complaint to see if there are negative reviews of the company. Check with your state consumer protection office to see if they have any complaints against the company, including the Better Business Bureau. Length of coverage. Use the length and cost of the contract to calculate its yearly or monthly cost. Coverage. An extended warranty or service contract won't cover all situations or repairs. Find out what limitations apply. Does it cover accidental damage? Can the company deny coverage if, for example, you don't follow their instructions for routine maintenance? Does it cover only specific parts of the product or specific repairs? If it isn't listed in the contract, assume that it's not covered. Claims process: going through a difficult claims process or waiting for reimbursement can reduce the value of having coverage. Find out how to make a claim, who takes care of repairs, and if you'll need to return the item to the store where you bought it. A different way to pay for repairs: extended warranties and service contracts aren't the only way to plan for future repairs or accidents. After you evaluate the extended warranty or service contract coverage, you might find that putting money aside in savings account is a better option. Then, if you need to pay for repairs, you can use the money in the account. Unwanted calls and email about extended warranties and service contracts. After you buy a product, you might get calls and mail from marketers who want to sell you an extended warranty or service contract. These offers can come years after your purchase, and the marketers are usually not related to the company you did business with. The telemarketing calls, both live and robocalls, are probably illegal if you have no connection with the company that's calling. Marketers use high-pressure sales tactics saying things like, "Act now, your warranty is about to expire." They may try to get your personal and financial information and maybe even a first payment where they tell you about the contract. It might be risky to buy an extended warranty or service contract from a telemarketer because the company that's responsible for the contract might not be in business when you need its service. Comment. Let me know your experiences. If you had an extended warranty, whether you tried to get a claim and eventually gave up because the company refused to reimburse you for your contract. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching. See you soon.